Have you ever wondered how electricity flows through your phone when it's charging, or how power travels from a power station to your home? The answer lies in electric current, the flow of electric charge that powers everything from your smartphone to your home appliances. Welcome back to Science Bites. Today, we're exploring the concept of electric current and how it makes modern technology possible. So, what exactly is electric current? Simply put, electric current is the movement of electric charge, usually carried by electrons through a conductor, like a wire. Imagine water flowing through a pipe. The faster the water moves, the higher the flow rate. Similarly, the faster the electrons move, the higher the electric current. Current is measured in amperes, and the force that pushes these electrons through the wire is called voltage. Now, electric current doesn't just flow freely. It encounters something called resistance, which is like friction in a water pipe. It slows down the flow of electrons. The relationship between current, voltage, and resistance is explained by Ohm's law: V equals Y times R. This formula tells us that the current in a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. If you increase the voltage, the current increases too, just like increasing water pressure makes water flow faster. But if the resistance increases, the current decreases. There are two main types of electric current: direct current, or DC, and alternating current, or AC. Direct current flows in a single direction, just like water in a straight pipe. This is the kind of current you get from a battery, powering things like your phone. On the other hand, alternating current changes direction periodically. It's used for long-distance transmission of electricity, which is why your home appliances run on AC power from the grid. AC is more efficient for transporting electricity over long distances. In our daily lives, electric current is everywhere. From the phone in your hand to the lights in your home, electric current powers almost everything. But here's the thing: too much current can overload and damage devices, while too little won't power them at all. That's why understanding and controlling current is so important. It ensures that our devices run safely and efficiently. Electric current is the lifeblood of our modern world. It flows through every device, every home, and every city. By understanding how current works, we can better manage energy and make sure we're using electricity efficiently and safely. Next time on, we'll dive into resistance and how it controls the flow of current in circuits. Stay tuned for more bite-sized science. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.